Vocational experts take 3, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to The Legal View with Farah Farah. I'm Eddie Farah, and with me here today is Mr. James Doyle, who works in our Social Security Department. James, tell us what part a vocational expert plays at a Social Security hearing.
Well, Eddie, a vocational expert is a trained professional whose background it is to analyze employer tolerances. A series of questions are posed by the attorney and the judge which concern the client's ability to concentrate, the client's functions, whether they consider it be sedentary or light duty or medium duty. And what we try to do as attorneys is make sure that at the end of the hearing, that due to the testimony provided and the medical evidence, that the vocational expert testifies to the judge in the court that the client can no longer do any work in the national economy, and the restrictions that are posed by our questions are so restrictive that no employer would ever tolerate the specific client's inabilities at work.
Well, give us some examples of something that a vocational expert would consider in determining whether or not a client could work.
Well, vocational experts consider whether clients need to take breaks often, whether clients have visual problems and can sit at computer screens for that long, whether clients get along with coworkers, whether clients get along with supervisors well, physical issues, frequent breaks, bathroom breaks, if someone has bowel issues. The less time an employee is able to concentrate at the position, the more likely it is that the vocational expert is going to testify that the employee is not going to be able to work any past jobs, or any job in the national economy.
Okay. Well, what evidence do you give at a hearing? What evidence do you come to court with at that hearing to show the vocational expert that your client cannot work and is entitled to those benefits?
What we try to do is we make sure that we have all the available medical records and get opinions from their treating providers to make sure that the vocational expert has a really good idea on their restrictions. We also make sure that the client testifies very, very precisely on their past work and all of their limitations as to why they can't do their past work.
James, thanks a lot. That was a lot of help, and thanks for watching The Legal View.